Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If precision and long-lasting definition are on your radar, we're taking a close look at the KIKO Milano Precision Eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner with a felt tip applicator that promises sharp lines and smudge-resistant wear. This one's caught a lot of attention in the makeup community, so let's break down what it really delivers. KIKO Milano's Precision Eyeliner comes in a classic black shade, designed to give you a natural yet defined finish. Its felt tip applicator is meant to offer control for everything from fine hairline strokes to bold, dramatic lines. The formula is smudge resistant, which is perfect if you want your eye makeup to stay crisp throughout the day without fading or transferring. Being a liquid liner in pencil form, it combines the precision of a felt tip with a smooth, fluid application. When I first tried this eyeliner, the felt tip immediately stood out. It's firm enough to glide steadily across the lash line, but flexible enough to follow the natural curve of the eye. Application was surprisingly comfortable, even for creating a winged look. The pigment is rich and true black on first swipe, and it dries quickly without leaving any sticky residue. I tested it in both my morning makeup routine and during a full day out, and it held up well against minor smudging and oil transfer, though heavier rubbing did eventually affect it. One thing I appreciated was how beginner-friendly it is. The felt tip provides a guided control that helps reduce mistakes. On the flip side, if you prefer a brush applicator, this felt tip style might feel a bit rigid, especially for intricate designs. Another minor drawback is that the cap needs to be tightly closed. Otherwise, the tip can dry out faster than some other liquid liners on the market. In terms of value, KIKO Milano has positioned this eyeliner at a reasonable price point for a quality liquid liner. Considering the pigmentation, smudge resistance, and applicator precision, it definitely offers good bang for your buck. Compared to some higher-end liquid liners, it performs admirably, though luxury brands might edge it out slightly in terms of ultra-long wear and water resistance. For those on a budget, it's a reliable option without compromising on the essential qualities of a liquid liner. The packaging feels sleek and professional with a lightweight design that's easy to handle during application. While it doesn't come with refillable options, the liner itself has proven durable, holding its shape and pigment consistency over several weeks of daily use. If you're curious about alternatives, other mid-range liquid liners with felt tips like NYX Epic Ink Liner or Maybelline Hyper Easy Liquid Liner offer similar performance, though KIKO's formula has a slightly smoother glide and richer black finish. So, should you grab this one? If you're looking for a smudge-resistant, precise eyeliner that balances quality with affordability, KIKO Milano Precision Eyeliner is a solid pick. It's well-suited for both beginners and more experienced makeup lovers who want control without fuss. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. You can find the purchase link in the comments or description box below. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.